Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Twitter drafts. So on the mobile app, go ahead and open up and log in, and then tap on the compose tweet icon or feather pencil at the bottom right. Okay, and then you're gonna see drafts. Usually, tap on drafts. Usually below the text box to view your saved drafts. On Twitter web, just go ahead and log in with your account. Click on the feather or the compose suite or the plus icon nowadays. If you have a draft saved, you will see drafts option below the text box where you can access them. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.